You won't see a ceremonial wand on my desk. I don't burn sage before launches, and I'm not here to shout affirmations into the void. But I do use magic to grow my business, and I do it every day. And no, this isn't wishful thinking or manifesting from your vision board. This is spiritual technology. It's precise, it's energetic, and it works. So let's demystify it. Magic isn't about spells or potions or costumes. It's about frequency and it's about field mastery and it's about consciously manipulating energy, your own and your environment's, to create a chosen outcome. In business terms, magic is learning how to collapse time, to identify upgrades, and to command a reality before it becomes visible. And this is not mystical nonsense. This is practical quantum mechanics. So let me tell you a quick story. There was a moment in my business where everything had stalled. Offers were flat, my energy was low, and I was exhausted by the strategies I was using, which really didn't feel like mine. I was doing all the right things and still watching the results just dribble in. So I stopped. I dropped into stillness and I asked, what would the version of me who already has the results I want, what would they do right now? And the answer wasn't tweak my funnel, and the answer wasn't raise my prices. It was get in the field. So I did. I sat down and visualized the future reality, not like it was a fantasy, but as a frequency, and I stepped into it. I let it recalibrate my voice, my energy, and my presence, and I built a new offer while I was in that vibration. Within 14 days, it sold out. No ads, no hustle, just resonance. Here's the process I use that I now teach my clients. Step one, clarify the reality. What is the version of your business that already feels rich and abundant and easeful? Easeful? And wildly aligned. Step two, enter the field. Close your eyes, drop in, not like a fantasy, but as an energetic state. Feel what the version of you knows, how they act, and what they no longer tolerate. And then align in the action. Now ask yourself, what would that version of me do today? How would they write that email? How would they price the offer? How would they speak on the video and then do that, even if your hands shake? This is how we use magic, not like superstition, but like a skill. You don't need crystals for this. You don't need moon phases. You need clarity, commitment, and field control. If this lit something up inside of you, please hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment with the phrase, I'm the magic, and share this with the spiritual entrepreneur in your life who's ready to replace hustle with power. This is not the law of attraction. This is field mastery, and you were born for it.